welcome to my channel Forever Hansika. So my friends and family support has at last brought me on YouTube, and I pray to God that I'll have a great journey on this platform. So keep showering love and do support. Before all that, subscribe to the channel. Okay, today's video is all about my birthday. This is very special to me because this year I have started the YouTube and thought to post the first video and go on with the birthday vlog. So I am hoping you will like it. Go through it. Guys, so now I'll be going to the bakery with dad. Dad is having some other works also, so he told me to come. And then about the cakes, I'll be going to order it from Swiss Castle. I have pretty many options. Kiwi, white forest, black forest, chocolate, and many more I guess. But then I am thinking to go with chocolate as always I do. Okay, so I'll get ready and then we'll complete the work, order the cake and come back. The outfit is like I'm thinking to go with some normal jeans. Like I bought new ones from West Side and the collection is quite good. So I'll go with these two. I'll just show it. This jeans and like I bought quite one jeans and like many tops, so this top. Let me change and come back. I'm all set to go and this is my house. Finish his work and we've come back. So it's around 3-5 right now and I had to share something very special with y'all. I felt to do that. So it's like kind of last year's birthday gift for me. It was given by my very best friend Tanisha. She's not like a best friend. Something very touching to my heart when I listen. A supporter, my partner, my dance partner, and then she helped me in so many things. Like she's my childhood friend. I miss her. She's at her home and I know this situation we cannot meet. I love you Tashu. I miss you very very much. So I'll just show you like her creativity skills are at some other level. Like she does so well. So let me show you. This one is that I really didn't open it. Like I saw it last year, but then now I just want to see it again and again. Okay. Happy birthday to my favorite bestie. Okay, so it looks, it's not that clear. She's like so very creative. It's the friends we meet along the way that help us appreciate the journey. Then she gave me a small message. To my best friend, here's to another year of us laughing at our own jokes, dealing with stupid things and keeping each other safe. Then she wrote 10 things she likes about me. You're foodie like me, you love me, your smile, your TikToks. Okay, now it's banned, but then before, your personality, you're an athlete, your choreography, your dressing sense, your decisions. Okay, you take good decisions. Your secrets, they're cute. Okay, bonus because it's your birthday. And the 11th one, she wrote it like kind of in a bold way, like your photography, how can we forget this? Okay, so this is like I literally love photography and I tried to edit them and do some stuff and they turn out like not that good, some pretty good. Okay, so coming back to her, I love you so much Tashu. I miss you so much. We'll meet soon. So my relatives have come. I'm excited. The door is closed. I'll be going out and I'm just going to take their reactions. Watch it. as you have seen, everybody has wished me and grandma has made special laddus for me. कौन सा लड्डू है?
रव्याचा लाडू.
अच्छा, रवा लड्डू. Thank you.
मला असंच बर्थडेला बोला.
मस्त. Okay, now I'll introduce. This is grandpa. Hello, Azoba.
Hello. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Okay, so my mom is a Maharashtrian, so I'll call grandpa as Azoba. Azoba.
बेसन लड्डू मला.
Rava laddu.
Rava laddu.
Rava laddu.
खा ना.
Okay, it's must. No, I'll eat afterwards. Okay, so guys, now I'll be introducing somebody. These are the only people I have right now for the birthday. Come. The yellow boy, Venkat. The second yellow boy, Vivan. Vivan, how you are feeling?
Good.
What is today?
What is today? 13th.
Okay.
13th September.
Oh. Now you will be seeing somebody familiar. Come. The one vibing with me.
Hello.
She is Kavya, the ones who know her, and the ones who don't know, she's my cousin. Kavya, again you came, Are. She is always there in my vlog. I don't know, somehow she comes. Okay, so now all the relatives have come. There are more 2 people to come, no? Sailesh and Sasvik. Okay, I have to call them. They'll come as soon as possible. I'll show them. Bye! At last I'm out of the house. Came into the park, like, got bored. I just went live, spoke to friends, had some fun and came out again. Like, just wanted to chill for some time. I'm however chilling. So the special thing in my birthday this time is there are only 7 to 8 year old kids. There are only 7 to 8 year old kids and I'm celebrating with them. Wow. And what can I even do? I have no other option also. Stop, guys. Hi.
Hi.
Happy birthday, Panda.
Okay.
Happy birthday. I want you all to sing song for me.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Pandaka. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless you, dear Pandaka. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, we'll ask special people. Sailesh.
Yes.
Happy birthday. Thank you. Stop that. So, how you are feeling, Sailesh?
I am feeling very happy
Why?
playing with all these friends at your birthday.
Already he's in the same society and he's telling I'm happy with playing with your friends, it seems. Satu, how you are feeling?
Hi.
Fine. Actually, I like the weather of my birthday. It's quite cloudy and must.
Guys, he is a ghost. Ghost, you don't know. 13th.
So I've changed my outfit. This is my birthday outfit. A check shirt and dark blue jeans. So I'm in love with this look actually. My hair suited it and I've done some makeup. Just a lipstick and eyeliner, not much. Okay. So for the cake, Dad has gone with my uncle. They're gonna bring the cake. Celebrations will be held soon. And coming to the part of my friends and celebration, nobody of my age. This is so bad. Nobody of my age. Like, I know this situation is like that. I can't help it. But I'm sure I'll celebrate the next year in an awesome way. Okay, so as this is my first video on YouTube, little nervous too. But then, yeah, I'll make sure to do my best. And I hope you all will What is this? Totally like she dude. What is this यार? Okay, fine now this. मेरे एज वाले नहीं है ना उसलिए like this it is. No damn. If my age people would be, it would be very bad. I know this. So let's see what to do after washing my face, and we'll go down, have some cake snacks, and then we'll see what to do. Bye bye. So guys, at last I've completed with the birthday party, and friends are still here who spoiled my face a lot. I hate them for that. But then yeah, my friends couldn't come. I miss you all very much. Meet you soon. So before ending this vlog, wanted to ask them how they felt. So I'm here with these kids. And Venkat, how did you feel?
Nice.
You felt nice. That's it. Achha, okay. So my bro.
I felt very happy because my sister was happy, means I was happy.
Abba, mast dialogues. If my sister is happy, he's happy. Yes, Safi, how you felt, Ray?
I liked the cake and liked the party.
He liked the cake. It was tasty. Was the cake tasty?
Yes.
Okay. So Sailesh, tell me.
I enjoyed so much, and
Much.
yes.
Okay.
This is the first party that I enjoyed so much.
Abo.
Really?
Acha, okay. He's telling the truth. Coming to the world famous Kavya, how you felt?
I felt very nice, Pallu Didi. You're very nice. I love you, Pallu Didi. Thank you. Thank you for keeping the party. We liked the party, and thank you so much for.
That's it. Okay. She liked the party. So did everybody enjoy?
Yes.
Don't shout, Ray. They'll wake up and sit there. You want to tell happy birthday as the last time?
Yes.
Okay. Tell
Happy-
slowly.
Happy birthday, Panda. Yes.
Drama. Yeah. Finally, the birthday party is over. Like the cake cut, dinner is still yet to happen. Relatives are there down, so there's like around 1-2 hours left still. Okay, so all the bacha party is gone. Like पूरा धूम मचा दिए थे, and my head was aching with these kids. Their games are like so different, and they want me to play, but then yeah, still for their excitement, I had to. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Before that, thank you everybody, my friends, everybody, family members, bhaiyas, didis, my aunts, uncles, dad, mom, grandpa, grandma. I love you all so very much. I am blessed to have everybody, and thank you for all the wishes. And coming to the video, I've just started my journey on YouTube, and hope you will like this video. Do share, subscribe, and like it. If you have to tell me anything, DM me. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Bye bye.